Hello everyone, Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just wanted to do a video about deducting the cost of higher education on a tax return. So every so often I'll come across either a student or a parent of a student that has tuition and board and room that have been paid for in terms of a college education or even a grad school education. And there are two types of deductions that we'll have with that. When it comes to undergraduate, we're going to refer to the American Opportunities Credit, so we get the deduction there. And then when it comes to graduate school or further on in an education, we're looking at what's called the Lifetime Learning Credit. With both of those, the most important part of the process is the numbers. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to capture how much was paid in room and tuition and items like that, including like books and things like that related to going to the school and what is required in terms of the classes. Then next, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract out what was paid in scholarship money as well as in grant money. So let's say, for instance, you have tuition for the year that is $40,000. And then let's say, for instance, you have scholarship and grant money that totals $7,000. So we're going to subtract those two out. The difference of the $33,000 is what we're going to enter on the return. Now, you are not able to deduct the full amount, so we can't take that full deduction. However, you can take a partial deduction. The IRS does cap out how much you're able to take both for the American Opportunity Credit and for the Lifetime Learning Credit when it comes to grad school. So we're going to have to deal with that cap. But ultimately, again, we're still being able to take that deduction. And the way that's going to work on the tax return is we're going to obviously prepare the rest of the information. So say, for instance, there is W-2 income from a regular 9-to-5 job. If you've got business income, if you've got children, obviously, that you're taking a deduction on, if there are after school cares, if there are other things that are going on, that obviously is going to go into that return. But along with that is going to be that further deduction related to that education expense. So again, it's the American Opportunity Credit if you are in undergraduate school, and it is the Lifetime Learning Credit if you are in grad school. If you've got more questions about that and how that process works, by all means, you can reach out to me. The best way probably is like give me a phone call, so you can call the office. But if you want to do a DM or email, you're more than welcome to do that as well. But either way, I'm looking to definitely help you out, see how we can figure out how you can take that deduction, and obviously any other tax questions that you have. So talk to you soon.